If the keypad on your Samsung phone screen has changed the color after you have updated your phone and it looks multicolored, then let us see how to change it. Now the keypad on the lock screen of your Samsung phone pulls the color from the wallpaper of your Samsung phone. So you have to at first change the wallpaper to the default one. Go to settings here. Go to this option wallpaper and style. And if you have selected anything else, go to change wallpapers and select the default one. Select done. The next thing that you can do is you have to go to the settings icon here. Go to the option accessibility. Go to vision enhancements, and here there is an option reduce transparency and blur. Enable this option. Once you do it, the keypad on the lock screen of your Samsung phone should not be multicolored now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.